What's up guys, and today I'm going to be reading to you The Simple Healthy Eating. Now, this is more like a cookbook, but there is some really delicious foods, but healthy at the same time, which I'm going to be showing you for this video. Now I'll tell you, I really like this book, due to the fact that there is healthy foods, but it's delicious at the same time. It's not just healthy and it wouldn't taste that good. So this is a good thing we have this book. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get to this. Simple Healthy Eating. Okay, so here you have those chapters. So you have the introduction, starters and light bites, meat and poultry, fish and seafood, vegetarian, sweet treats, and the index, basically giving you an idea on everything else in the definitions. So here you got the photo of the food. So let's get to this. Okay, so here you have the introduction. So it's a lot of text and I figure I don't want to take up too much time, so here I'll show it to you like this. So if you want to read everything else, you could go ahead and pause the screen. Now, starters and light bites. So this chapter offers you delicious starters, snacks, and even light lunches. Low fat food doesn't need to be low on inspiration. Dishes like parma ham with figs or prawn and mango salad could form an exotic and tasty weekday lunch, or equally a stunning starter to a dinner party. So here, this is what we have. So here we have tuna and fresh vegetable salads. This looks good, due to the fact that it has tuna. This is healthy and this is good for you. And vegetables, is good and it's fresh. Prawn and mango salads. Basically we have those shrimp and the salad, and it has mango in it too. Now, I'm not that big of a fan of mango, but it's pretty good. Parma ham with figs. Now, unfortunately, because I'm Muslim, I don't eat pork, but I like the figs though. The figs are pretty good. But the ham, I don't eat the ham. Speedy broccoli soup. Never heard of that before, and doesn't look that appetizing. Chicken wraps. Oh, I love chicken wraps, especially the way it's made is really good. So this is what we have, and it's really good. Now, the meat and poultry. Now we get to the good part. Because of the fact that I love meat and those type of recipes, the healthy ones is good. Yeah, I don't want to take up too much time, so if you want to read this text, you can go ahead and pause the screen. Mexican chicken burritos. That sounds good, and especially the photo, looks appetizing. I would love to try it one day. I love to eat the Mexican food like this. This is delicious. So this is what we have. Sausage and lentil stew. Never heard of that before, and I don't know if I should eat it, but it looks pretty good. Stir-fried beef and mango toast. Oh, I love stir-fried beef, and especially how it's made. It looks really good. Just as good as, the chicken burritos. Are really good. Moroccan style turkey with apricots. This type of style is from Morocco, which is nice. So here, this is how it looks. I'm not sure about the apricots, but I love the turkey and the rice. It's really good. Sticky lime chicken. Oh, I love this type. And especially the photo, you got the chicken itself and the potatoes on the side. It's really good, and I love the potatoes. I've said this many times in my previous videos. Now to the fish and seafoods. You got the text, and again, if you want to see it, you can pause the screen. So yeah, I'll tell you, fish and seafood, it has more vitamins and, it's more healthier. Herb crusted haddock with tomato salsa. Never heard of that before, and I never even tried it, not even once. Seafood pizza. Now, I love pizza. It's one of my favorite foods. And when it comes to this, you know, that'd be really good. You know, it's a really healthy, or it's a healthier version of pizza. Linguine with prawns. Now, you can see it has the spaghetti and the shrimp. You know, I really like it, and especially I love the spaghetti. Category. Category, I've never heard of this before. It looks like hard-boiled eggs and this yellow stuff. I don't know about this. I never heard of that before. Sole and smoked salmon rolls. It looks pretty good. You know, I like the salmon rolls. You know, it looks pretty appetizing. And the broccoli, you know, and we also have the asparagus as well. You know, not just broccoli, but we have the asparagus. Vegetarian. Now, you know, just vegetables, you know, it has been the healthy option for a long time. But, you know, it's not the most exciting. But when it comes to those dishes, this is gonna be really delicious. You know, believe me. Roasted vegetables with hot chili pepper dip. I've never heard of that before, again, but it looks pretty good. You know, I'd like to try it one day. Chinese vegetables and bean sprouts with noodles. Oh, this is really healthy. And, you know, Chinese takeout is healthier than fast food burgers. You know, so keep that in mind. When it comes to this, it's really healthy. You know, believe me, you're gonna like it. Pani pravara. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's like the pasta, but with the healthier sauce or whatever. I don't know how you call it, but it's nice. I like the pani pasta, by the way. Vegetable biryani. Never heard of that. It looks like rice and vegetables, but it looks pretty good. You know, I like to try it someday. And you got those like parsley green leaf or whatever. Glazed vegetable kebabs. You know, it's just like the kebabs, but it's a healthier version of it, as you can see. Last but not least, sweet treats. Now, the days of low-fat, no-fun food are over, and this chapter welcomes the most delectable, the most delicious type of treats, all with less than 6 g or 6 grams of fat. Paradise. Charcoal melon and ginger sorbet for a chick dessert, or chocolate pear roulette for a tasty sensation. Pretty good. I mean, you can see a preview of it. Melon and ginger sorbet. Never heard of that before, but it looks pretty good. And you got the strawberry on top, which is nice. Apple strudel with warm cider sauce. Never heard of that before, but as you can see, this is how it looks. Chocolate pear roulade. As you can see, this is how the chocolate looks like. And you got that white cream in it. Now, I don't eat chocolate because I'm allergic to dairy and stuff, but it looks pretty appetizing. And now we get to the good one, save the best for last. Brown sugar pavlovas, however you call it. It looks pretty good. You know, I love the way they made the desserts. It's really good. You know, I'd like to try it one day. And you got the index, and that is it. So that was me showing you the coolest delicious treats about simple healthy eating. The meat and poultry, the vegetables, the fish and seafoods, you know, the starters and light bites, and to save the best for last, the desserts. So that is it here. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and that was me showing you the coolest recipes that you can make to eat the healthy foods. So there you go. And my advice is, don't eat too much unhealthy, but at the same time, it's okay to eat it every now and then, because balance is the key. So this is my advice that I'm giving to you before the end of this video. And also guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to share the videos to your friends and family as well for them to subscribe. Please do, because this helps me grow my channel. Anyway, so thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.